Welcome to Whois Data Center. In this video, we'll dive deep into Reverse Whois Lookup, exploring searches by email, phone, name, company, keyword, and DNS. Today, we'll start with phone Reverse Whois Lookup. First, let's look at how you can perform a Reverse Whois Lookup using a phone number. Here you can see the search bar where you can enter any phone number. For example, let's search for the number 00000. Once you initiate the search, our platform quickly processes the data. Here are the results. You can see comprehensive details including the domain name, TLD, registrar information, creation and expiry dates, and contact information. Let's take a closer look at a sample result. For instance, the domain davidcopperfield.net was last updated on June 28, 2016. The registrar is publicdomainregistry.com, and you can find the creation and expiry dates along with the query time. Here you can see the registrant's contact details including the name, company, address, email, and phone number. We also provide administrative, technical, and billing contact information. In this example, the details are the same across all contacts. Additionally, you can view the name servers and the domain status. For this domain, the name servers are ns1.domainden.com and ns2.domainden.com, with the status set to client transfer prohibited. You can access the first sample for free to get an idea of the information we provide. For the phone number 0000 and scroll up, we have 4,645 whose records available for download at USD 99. Moreover, our API allows you to integrate Reverse Whois Lookup capabilities, providing seamless access to our extensive data. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos where we explore other Reverse Whois Lookup options, including email, name, company, keyword, and DNS. Visit us at whoisdatacenter.com to get started today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.